Kittl Black Friday offer. You can see on this page from today until December 2nd, you can get 25% off of all yearly plans and you can unlock the full power of AI and all Pro Tools. The link will be down below in the description. Just use the promo code BF2025 on your checkout page. And you can see everything on this page, who is eligible. This offer all new signups. What you will get, 25% of annual Kittl Pro and Expert plan. You can unlock every premium features, AI tools and exclusive templates. And you can get full access to fonts, assets and vector editing. Everything you need to design freely. And also you can see why this offer is different. All new users can walk the best yearly price of the year. All current users can upgrade from monthly to yearly with this discount. The Pro annual users can move up to Expert plan and returning users can reactivate their account with the same discount amount. So if you are on a fence for Kittl, this is the right moment. You can also create free account, check all their features. Just bear in mind that the free plan is limited. Let me show you the plans. You can see on this page, you can double check, and when you scroll down, here you can see everything that is included on free, pro, expert and business plan, and you can decide which plan fits for you. But with the free plan, you can double check if you like the program or not. I think Kittl is one of the best program for print on demand. And you can decide if you want to continue and subscribe to the pro plan. So with that being said, guys, take this Black Friday offer and start using Kittl today. I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. If so, hit the subscribe button, notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.